we will have a brief discussion on the Economic and Social Council, which is a principal organ of the United Nations. In order to get a more detailed view on the Economic and Social Council as well as other principal organs of the United Nations, you can watch the dedicated video by Team Ekam IAS on these principal organs of the United Nations. This Economic and Social Council, it serves as the central mechanism for activities of the UN system as well as its specialized agencies in economic, social and environmental fields. So economic, social and there is environmental fields also. The Economic and Social Council deals with economic, social and environmental fields. Then it is the UN's central platform for debate and innovative thinking on sustainable development. So it is the UN's central platform on sustainable development. Again, that is a very important fact on the Economic and Social Council. Then again, UN has 6 main organs. It is one among the 6 main organs or the 6 principal organs of the United Nations. And it has 54 member countries. So it has 54 members elected by the General Assembly for an overlapping 3-year terms. Now we will try to solve a prelims model question on this Economic and Social Council. 3-statement question with reference to UN ECOSOC. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. All 193 member states of the UN are represented in the Economic and Social Council. See, is that right? How many members the ECOSOC has? It has only 54 member countries. This is a peculiarity of which principal organ of the United Nations? See, tell me guys, tell me which UN principal organ or main organ represents all 193 members of the United Nations. It is the United Nations General Assembly. So this particular statement is wrong. It is one of the 6 main organs of the UN. That is right. Then third statement, it is the UN central platform for debates and innovative thinking on sustainable development. That is again right. So which among the following statements are correct? 2 and 3, which is option B.